Hey guys, it's Gavo here, and I'm going to be unboxing the iPad Pro today, so just getting right into it, I'm going to be unboxing the Magic Keyboard case first. So right as you open it, it's covered in plastic that you need to peel off, so I'll let you listen to that. And then in the middle, it's got the instructions. Overall, it feels pretty nice, and I've been using it daily. Next up, we got the Apple Pencil. I'm basically just doing everything in order from least to greatest in importance, because I feel like the Apple Pencil really makes the iPad. To unbox the Apple Pencil, you just pull out the little tab, it pulls right out. And I thought there's going to be extra nubbies for the tip of it, but there isn't included in the packaging. And then here's like all your little Apple fingertips. I don't know why it took so long to read it, but... And then here's me looking for the nibs. And I was like, oh my god.
Okay.
Oh well, but then I unwrapped the pencil, and it feels pretty much identical to a normal number 2 pencil that you'd find in a classroom. So, is it worth it? I mean, for the $130 price point, I'd say it's worth it. As of right now, I've been using it a lot. Okay, I know this shot makes no sense at all because the iPad's already unboxed, but I wanted to show the engraving that I got, which was for free, and that's what it just looks like. It's basically just like a normal font. And here's the setup for the Apple Pencil. You put it on and it's just pretty much like AirPods. So it's pretty simple. Okay, now for the thing that you've all came for, the iPad Pro. I got the 256 gigabyte version, the 11-inch, not the bigger one. And here's me unboxing it. It's gonna be like an ASMR type of deal. Once I got those things out of the package, it was so thin, it was unbelievable. And here's just the manual, and which is really simple. I'd recommend just looking up a YouTube video because this thing is pretty complex. And it comes with a USB-C to USB-C charger and a USB-C charging brick, which also came with the iPhone 11 Pro last year. So if you have that, then you got another brick. Overall, the charger's really fast, no complaints. After waiting for a while for it to boot up and set up, you have to do Face ID, which really makes this a lot like an iPhone. And I see this as more of like a squished iPhone with a little more features rather than a computer. But it's all in the eye of the beholder. So okay, well, here's what I drew on the iPad and a little cinematic shot. But overall, I'd recommend this thing. If you got the money, spend it, because I've used this daily for the past couple weeks. It's just really nice to use, and I haven't used my MacBook in a long time. It's a really amazing device, and I'd recommend it.